I don't know why the audio was not working. I had to restart the OBS. I had my mixer turned off. I think that's why it didn't work. Yep. Did I trade already? Yes, sir. ORB victory again. All right. I don't know if I'm at 300K yet. I don't know if I'm going to request the minimal payouts. We'll see how we do for the rest of the morning. Everything is broken. All right, make sure you guys start hitting the like. We're going to do a lot of giveaways today. Pretty much every half an hour. I do one at 10:15, 10:45, 11:15, 12. Good morning, Clyde. 100K alpha futures, very nice. Never traded with them. I think my USB camera's gonna be a little dark because one of my lights is not working. I'm having a lot of tech issues today. I had to turn off power yesterday because we had to move an outlet in the living room, so we had to turn off all the circuits to find which one it was. And of course, I feel like something is just not working on my desk. One of the USB-C bricks is just not working, so my light's not working, my monitor was not working. I had to use a different USB cable. So the camera's gonna be a little dark. I don't know. I don't even know how to turn this thing on. That's why I never turn off my computer, because every time I do, something goes bad. Today we'll be giving away same thing. Apex evals, a couple more Lucid evals, Vidius evals, and one TRADEIFY eval. I don't know if I'm gonna give everything away today because I am limited on time. Might save some for next week as well for Christmas. But all right, let's see. So I'm $1,100 away from $300,000 in payouts. I did make 417 on take profit today. Which accounts would be ready? So this account I could take out Almost $1,000, $1,100 from this account. This one like 800. So like I'm there. I don't know how these accounts are here. How is my pro account still visible? I thought they were moved to live. I don't get it. My birthday's tomorrow, but thank you. Nutty's birthday is today. Make sure you guys say hi to Nutty and tell him happy birthday. All right, let's switch over to tick charts. So this was the ORB. I mean, today was as straightforward as it gets. Whole week has been very straightforward except for Wednesday. Wednesday was the tricky one. If not Wednesday's loss, I'll be swimming in payouts right about now, but that's a big if. But recovered the loss basically from Friday. I mean, not from Wednesday. And this is like the first time in a while since I've had a good week on my birthday. Honestly, guys, every year with trading futures, this is my first year. That's been good for me. 2023, I pretty much blew all my accounts. Last year, I know I lost. You could probably find the clip. Yes, you could trade Apex evals however you want. There's no rules. Even like, I haven't seen anyone get denied for DCA. You could DCA on Apex, by the way. You just have a max drawdown allowance per trade, so you could DCA, but you can't break that rule. Scalping's always been allowed, even on fundeds. Even the risk reward, the 5-to-1 risk reward. No, what was it? 3-to-1, 5-to-1, or 1-to-5. I've never seen one person get denied on that. I think that's an unrealistic rule for them to follow or keep up with. So, ooh. Okay, let's see if we get a double bottom here. That's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna switch over to an account that we could actually trade. A fresh 150K account. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. If I'm gonna add to the copy trader, because I have a bunch of accounts that I haven't touched yet. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna add them to the opening range or if I'm gonna. Right now I'm trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 accounts, including my take profit on the opening range trade. So all the money you see I've made today, 4 seconds. I was done in 4 seconds. That's where dreams are made. How come did I move to 150Ks? A lot of the promos that they've been running made sense. Cost-wise, they've been the same cost on many occasions. And second thing is that the drawdown what really got me to switch over to 150K accounts is actually Elite Trader funding. So with Elite Trader funding back in July, they used to have like crazy promos to pass bigger accounts like 150K, 250K account by just making $2,000-$3,000 and you pass. They had this one, couple hours a day type of promo. So it would be only like from 9:30 to 12 o'clock, or by 1 o'clock you had to pass, whatnot. So I did that and I started trading those accounts and I saw how big the P&L was growing because how much contracts I could use and I'm just looking at the chart, and then how fast the account grew as well. The P&L was growing, account was growing, and the size I could use was much bigger. If I took a loss, it didn't kill the account versus the 50K. I feel like if I take a loss of $1,500, I feel like the account's gone. So they gave me a reason to switch because I was like, wow, this is great. I could actually, I used to size up on my ORB. I used to take, 6 contracts in the 150Ks. I will make $1,000 in a day. 6, 7 contracts make $1,000 in a day on the, on the brand new accounts for a couple of days. And the account just grew so fast. And then that was the reason why I switched on Apex to 150Ks slowly. They're definitely much more difficult to pass overall, but I guess we didn't hold the bottom yet. I mean, if you zoom out, it doesn't look bullish one bit. Another level of interest is 450, 459. I'm going to take the first two-legged pullback to the long side. Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Yeah, I thought we were going to squeeze. Honestly, I thought we were going to. Yesterday, it turned green. Yesterday, this candle was green. And then it came back down. I really thought this was going to break out. But resistance played its role, and right back down she goes. But make sure you guys hit the like button. First giveaway will be at 10:30. Oh yeah, Broadcom. I haven't looked at my portfolio. So as they lower the interest rates, I keep a lot of my money in the money market. So I used to earn like 5% on it. Now I'm earning like 3.6%, and they just lowered the rates again. So it's gonna go like 3.5, 3.4. So I gotta start buying more stocks. I still make like $1,000 a month on it, but like on interest, but it just doesn't feel like that's a lot. But it's my money, right? That's why I like it's not invested, it's my money. I'm waiting for a two-legged pullback. We had the first pullback here. And now she goes lower. Oh, it held. All right, never mind. Yeah, if you're bearish today, you're probably having a good day already. Man, the ORB has been so good. One of my friends hasn't lost on the ORB in 3 weeks. But he's trading only one account, so it's like kind of painful in a sense. Because now the loss is there. The loss is coming. Marco, good morning, or yeah, should be good morning for you too. What time is it in Brazil right now? Should be around the same time, maybe an hour behind. Wow. All right, we're approaching that low of yesterday at 380. Crazy. Can't be too aggressive on the longs yet. I'm just waiting for a two-legged pullback. If it gives me a two-legged pullback, I am taking it on this account. Even though today I don't know if it's gonna work because it's so weak. Yeah, I'm gonna see how it reacts to the previous day's low. Look, maybe it'll give me a two-legged pullback off that low. We're only 20 points away. Not even. 17 points. 17 points away from yesterday's low. And then we had a huge bounce. All right, first pullback. So next red candle closes, I'll buy the high. Needs to be a red candle though. Nope. Come on, retouch the moving average. That would be beautiful. Okay, that should be a red candle. I wouldn't mind this to sell off to the previous day's low. Just break this low a tiny bit and then make a two-legged pullback. I think that would be even better. But if it breaks this, I'm going to go long. I'm going to have a trap right at this low. We'll see. I do have to end the stream pretty early today, unfortunately. Got too much going on. My birthday weekend, I got to get a haircut. So the only spot that was available for my barber today was at 1 o'clock. So I would love to do a golf stream. Maybe Sunday night for the market open. If I did a golf simulator stream, that would be pretty cool. Embarrass myself. All right, we didn't make a high yet. Let's see. Shorts are still in control. Hopefully take profit trader payouts clear like by 11 o'clock. So I could trade those accounts. So I got $1,500 from one account and then $538 from the other one. So if these clear, I'll trade one of these accounts and try to get another payout. Get it at least $1,000 from take profit today. Right now I'm only getting 400. Take profit is just phenomenal. Take profit is making my months, guys. For the last 2 months, 3 months, take profit is just undefeated. I posted something on Twitter yesterday. There was some good comments. There's people saying they can't wait to get to my level, and there's people that were saying like they're still taking their time, they're not aggressive enough, and whatever. And I just replied, I feel the same way. You know, I feel the same way. When I compare myself to other people, I feel the same way. I feel like I'm not aggressive enough for the big trading days. Like yesterday, for example, was a perfect trade for a take profit trader long off the bottom. I mean, 150, 200 point move up from where I entered on my apex. Could have taken the trade on take profit as well. Could have trailed it, you know, would have still made money no matter what. And I could have made a lot of money. Could have made 10 grand in a day. And there's people that do it. There's people that do it. It's not my birthday yet. Miss K, it's not my birthday yet. I don't want to get old. So no, it's not my birthday yet. Don't wish me happy birthday yet. Go wish Nutty a happy birthday. He's already an old man. I still got a day to go before I get old. Unbelievable. 37 years. Life is so crazy, guys. If you think about the timeline of life, we stress about life in so many ways, about money, about this, about that. And we forget that we have limited time on this planet. All right. Do I take this long here? I don't know. This first pullback, second pullback. It's kind of not my type of setup, but I'll take it. There's a two-legged pullback in the sense. But damn, I'm already up $400. That was quick. Now I'm down $400. That was quick too. Stop will be at the lows. Let it breathe. You can only be really aggressive in bigger accounts. No, you could be aggressive in the smaller accounts. You just gotta grow them early on. That's the hard part. You gotta get out of the trailing drawdown. That's the key. So it's definitely easier to be aggressive in the bigger accounts, but you could do it in the smaller ones too. Apex maybe is a little bit more difficult, but like Bullnox, you know, I don't know, any prop firm that doesn't have like less than 30% consistency. Like when you have 20% consistency, it's hard. So like the straight to funded accounts, that's hard. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work that well. See if it holds here, but should have went already, I think. Probably wants to retest the previous day's low first. If we break above this, I'll probably stop. I'll break even. Oh, big rejection there. Yeah, so like a two-legged pullback like this, the reason why I said it's not ideal in my setup is because this didn't break into new lows. So technically a two-legged pullback is buying up here because this is the first pullback and this is the second pullback. And then once it breaks this high, that would be the high of that, right? So this is like not a high quality two-legged pullback. So I just took that just to take it, but it looks like I'm gonna get stopped out for a big loss here. But if there's a two-legged pullback, we're gonna be super aggressive and make it back. So I'm not too concerned. But yeah, it's still a very weak market. So until something changes, gotta be careful with longs. Really want to see how it's gonna react down here. So we could get a two-legged pullback here. I could easily make $3 grand on the trade if it actually goes. Volatility is still pretty high, but you're like on the 50K account, it would be hard to take this trade and hold. I want to give it a chance. Every time I stop out, you know, it's a bottom tick, so it's like I wanted to give it as much chance as I could, which was maximum allowed for this account size. Don't tell me this is a low though. That'll be pretty upsetting. If we don't go any lower, that's gonna be pretty upsetting. Then ATX. So QUANTOWER has a built-in summary. Surprised you guys don't. People keep asking me about this, but QUANTOWER has its own built-in. But this is not that one. Let me see if I can find a link for this one. Do, do, do. So it's LDQ trading. What is this? MTF. Wow. All right, at least I didn't stop out the lows. Previous day's lows tested. Falling apart still. Might be one of those days where we just sell off all day. But yeah, QUANTOWER has a built-in summary window. You might need the newest QUANTOWER. Sucks because I was up 450 on this trade here. Yeah, the one I have is 200 bucks. I used to like using Rhythmic though. I don't know, Rhythmic was just so clean. All right, lock and load. Let's see if we can get another two-legged pullback. A proper one this time. Because this was really not. This wasn't it. All right, come on, make a high, please. Break these highs. 384. We need to get to 390s and then pull back again. Nope. Trapped. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Today might not be my day. Today might not be my day because I don't like shorting and this is very, very weak. Makes me want to try passing the Apex eval here. Should we try? Let's see what happens. Wow. Weakness is legit. Can I pass 150K in one shot? I don't think so. I should take I should take some off. Oh wait. Did I pass? Yes, I did. Oh my god. That is account number 20, everyone. Give myself a little. First time in forever. This time it's not a false alert. Last time I thought I passed 20. Nope. I was at 19. Look at that. Bottom ticked it. Almost. Oh, it's 10:30. We gotta do a giveaway. We're gonna do a giveaway every half an hour. Two-legged pullback here. That was a good start. There we go. Oh, you bastards. Rip it. All right, you guys could enter a giveaway. We're gonna do a giveaway every few. Probably 10:40. We're gonna give away the first set of accounts. I need this to go up another 15 points or so before I take one off. There we go. There we go. Haha, two-legged pullback for the win. Should have been my first trade. Hopefully it doesn't just come back on me. I mean, this would be a solid win if I get a little bit more. I could use a stop of that previous low. Now I'm just gonna take it off. 625 after being down 1500. That's a $2,000 trade. We'll take that all day. Could be a trap here. Yes, you got 5 pro accounts on Take Profit, Evan. Okay, it's not really holding yet. Wow, good take profit by me. Four minutes till we draw first name. Chat's gonna be very annoying to read today, but it's giveaways today, so excuse it. I wish there was a different way of doing it, but kind of missed that. I'm gonna try to go. All right, $400 here. Going to the next one. Just rotating accounts. Try to get them all traded if possible. I will switch over to Phidias really quick. Oh man. And I'm gonna check how much money I need on Lucid for a payout. If I could secure that Lucid payout today, that would put me over 300K. Account details, dashboard. I need doesn't tell me. My biggest day was 466. I'm gonna go get my phone really quick so I can do some math. Okay, my biggest day was 460. I only need like $108. Oof. $108 away from getting a $1,000 payout. I could do it. That's on Lucid. Day number 8. All right, let's pick a name for the giveaway. So I'm just gonna copy all the names that are currently in. You could still enter, but it's gonna be for the next one. All right, anyone that is entering after now is not gonna be part of this one. I don't know what this is, so we're just gonna. We'll use this one as first. All right, giving away an Apex eval to this one random person. We're gonna be doing this throughout the stream, guys, so keep entering. But here we go. There's 100 names in the pool, and watch me go. Ga or GA, I don't know. Watch Me Go is the winner of the first eval. All right, we're gonna add the list of all the winners just so I could keep track. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a breakout here. $200. Oof, big failure there. Come on. Ah, so close. Okay, got it. $400 on Phidias. Now let's go to the payout account, Lucid. All right, so we need $110 on this account in order to get $1,000 payout, which would put us over 300K because I would request 400 from Take Profit and 1,000 from this, and it should put us at 300K. But I could request from Apex as well, so. But from Apex, I would like to grow the accounts first. The easiest $100, yeah. Easiest $100, guys. Nothing to it, you know. This is, we've all been there. We've all been there. It's like, oh, easy. Done a million times. I'm sure Pine Tree, you're excited for today's withdrawal from it. Take profit though, right? Pine Tree killed it yesterday. You passed the evaluation. Nice. Damn, Pine Tree, you'll be live very soon. Pine Tree, do you remember you were saying this was like a couple weeks ago, maybe longer. I took out $4,500 in the month, in a week on Take Profit Trader, and I said that in your chat, and you were like, "Oh, I can't wait to get to that level or something." Now you're doing it in one day, 2 days in a row. My God, proud of you. That is awesome. Take Profit Trader is the best. All right, let's focus here because we gotta, guys. The only thing I do ask is if you entered into the giveaway already, do not type in Alpine again, because then I can't read the chat at all. And a lot of you guys are not getting tickets anymore because you already are in the giveaway. You're gonna be in the giveaway for the whole entire day. I'm not stopping the entries at all. Trade day is good. Trade day is good, I think. They do put you live much faster than Take Profit, I think. And I don't know if the live is as good as Take Profit. Yes, yeah, just enter once and you're good for the day. You have to be present to win and claim the eval, but like you don't have to be present right away. Like I'm gonna put all the winners right here. So you have till end of the day to like reach out. Because then if I don't give them away Monday, I'm gonna give them away again. Once funded, how long does it take you to get paid out? Depending on what prop firm. All right, we're selling off here. Apex. My last payout with Apex, it took me 12 days. But I have some accounts at 20 days and they're not at payout. Or they're, you know, like this account I think is at 25 days now. But the losses kind of keep putting it back under the payout. Right now I could request $800 from it or $700. Oh, there's one more. I think this is the one that was like 25 days. So anything over 4,600 I could take out. So that's $1,100 I could take out from there. So I probably will, just so Dominican trader doesn't yell at me. But I just feel like it's a waste. When you can request 2,750 and you only request 1,100, I feel like it's a waste. But every penny counts at this moment. You take a $1,000 payout, that's, you know, all these accounts are paid. If I take $1,000 out of this account, that's all these accounts paid for the activation. All the Apex accounts, because all the promos that Apex has been running. Not the evals, but the, you know, that's how I look at it. I always look at it forward. So like, if you take out $1,000 from a prop firm, you can use that 1,000 to buy more accounts. And like the goal for you, if you're starting out with prop firms, is to stay ahead, right? As soon as possible. It doesn't matter how much you spend on evals, as long as you're spending payout money on evals. That's what a lot of people don't understand. So when people hear like, oh, I spent $75,000 on evals, you know, they think of like, oh, it's because you have affiliates or whatever. I'm like no, like that's all payout money. I didn't spend $75,000 without making a dollar. I spent $100 when I started, or $200, whatever it was. I've made money with that, and ever since my first $4,000 payout, I did not have to input any of my own money into prop firms. And I know that's unlikely for you if you're starting out, but you want to get there as soon as possible. That's the goal. You know, if you take out $2,000 in payouts, your goal is to spend $2,000 and take out at least $2,500. You know, so you're $500 ahead, or at least break even. You know, you spend $2,000 on evals and funded, you take out $2,000, you break even, and eventually you're gonna start getting ahead. That's the big thing. There's a lot of tricks that you could use mentally in prop firms, but then you're gonna get haters saying, "Oh, that's not real trading. That's you wouldn't do that in the live account." No shit. That's why I trade funded accounts, dumbass. No, I've been profitable before that in stocks, but like, you know, profitable meaning I would make 10 grand in a year. But 23 was my first like 50K year. Ooh. Something is happening. What just happened, guys? Who's got the news feed? Who's got the news feed? Which one of you shorted? Who went all in 20 Apex accounts short? Took all the liquidity. Unreal, guys. At least you should tell us ahead of time. Oh god, two-legged pullback here is gonna be so scary, but I'm gonna do it. Probably shouldn't do it on this account, but yeah, I got filled on that so fast. I looked down my phone and come on. $300,000 secured. Hopefully. Damn, lucky on that one. I'm not touching this account. I am not touching this account. This account should be... Why is this account not showing on my... Oh, it is. Okay. All right, let's go back to Apex really quick. This could be good. This could be some good action right now. Good price action. Oracle. All right, so that news is not that significant. So let's see if we get a bounce. We already have enough data. I mean, enough AI. AI is getting so out of hand. It's gonna be a problem. Like, I think human brain is just gonna shrink. As part of evolution. I don't think they could step in. I think it's too late. Am I ignoring on purpose? No. Chat just moves really fast. So majority of the time I look at this chart that you guys are looking at, and then for me to look at chat, I gotta look away. So now with the you know, people typing Alpine, I don't see every message. We're gonna do another giveaway in 7 minutes. 50K Bullnox to 2,500. Then I blew, but now I got 4 passed and it's giving me the option to activate all 4. What do you mean it gives you an option to activate all 4? Like, you could actually pay for it. It doesn't say pending. I mean, I would just activate them. What's the worst that could happen? I would do it then, Dominican trader. I would so do it. Normally, majority of the time I go for 6 points. But on certain trades, I go for bigger. So I don't have... My opening range trade is what I make the most money on, and that's 28 ticks. I'm loving this volatility. Just Probably gonna burn at least one account. I'm at 20 now, so hopefully not, but I feel like it will. All right, two-legged pullback here. Long. Boom, 462 right there. We're just cooking today, guys. We're just cooking. Three minutes till next giveaway. Next account will be like if this holds, it's a good long, but missed that. Yeah, probably not gonna be a good outcome. Let's see. Yeah, that got stuffed so hard. I'm gonna have to just blow this account. Fuck. Ah, getting too aggressive on the longs right now. Am I still a DJ? Yes. I'm off till January 10th. Annoying. Rips made 116,000. Damn. And I'm here blowing an account because I can't fucking get a runner. Unbelievable. Well, had 20 accounts for less than half an hour. Oh. And of course, it's the account that has money in it. Fuck me. I won so many trades in a row, and then as soon as I trade an account with money in it, I lose. Luckily, it's the lowest balance one. Only had $1,500 in it, but that's a lot more than the other accounts. Like these accounts have no balance. Fuck. What a weak market. Jesus Christ. Oh, I have to fucking pass another eval. Unbelievable. Well, at least I passed one more, so we're good. If I blow this account, we're good. Passed two, so. Right now we got one in reserve. Maybe this will work. How's Bullnox with payment and consistency rules? They're great. 40% consistency, and they pay slowly as far as the spread of the payouts. But once you request a payout, you're gonna get it every Tuesday night. Like there's never been like a delay or denial for me. I got denied once for flipping, I guess, but that was. You don't want to flip on Bullnox. That's one thing. I should actually buy some evals from them. I'm gonna do that. I think after this trade, win or lose, I'm gonna switch to evals only. Yeah, it's 1575 for 50K. So I'm gonna buy a couple. And that's recurring too. So it always recurs at 90% off. Oh wait, my take profit trader has been. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but the balance has been adjusted. Yep. All right, so they took out money from my Bullnox. We could definitely trade those accounts. I mean, from my take profit, I said Bullnox. Damn it. Why you gotta be so annoying? All right, let's do another giveaway. Give out another giveaway. We got 315 names. All right, we're gonna spin the wheel. Wow, I was break even, and then of course it goes against me now. All right, these are the usernames. All right, we got 20 random names here. There you go, Matt's in there. We got Miss K, we got Matt. All right, so these names will be in the giveaway. Alrighty. Good luck. This is for we'll do Lucid. You get to pick. There you go, Matt. Ooh, John Ripple, OG. Congratulations to you. Yes, you did. Damn, this is so weak. Fuck, it's gonna blow this account. Ah, thought I was gonna save it. But it's alright. Don't think today is a day too long. Just don't think so. And I'm trying really hard. And this is so weak. Oh, there goes the account. Oh man, I was hoping not to blow any accounts today, and of course we can't escape it. $6 account is gone. How stupid. $6 account is gone. This one's $6 activation. Unbelievable. I had $1,500 in this account and I fucking blew it. Oh my god. End of the world. Alright, I'm done trading fundeds unless it's take profit trade. Let's try to pass some Bullnox evals. Fucking sucks. I just put me in a bad mood every time. Alright, Bullnox evals. Damn, Dustin, that sucks. Yeah, you've been shorting every day. I mean, this is a massive, massive red candle. It's crazy how weak it is. I just don't know how to trade this, so, to be honest. My worst days. So to only lose one account, I'll take it. Now I know it's going to continue selling off, so I will not risk any of my fundeds. Would like to make like 600 bucks on Take Profit Trader though, so there's going to be a potential trade on that. We just got to find a good spot for it. Time is flying. Another giveaway in 6 minutes. The winners of the giveaways are on the other side of the screen. So we have Watch Me Go and John Ripple so far. 2 winners. The full send is eval. If it breaks that high. Probably a better day for evals at this point. Another 2-legged pullback here. Let's see. Oh, so close. Come on. Yes. Come on. Nice. I shouldn't have even hedged that other one. I hedged it just to be safe, but for $17 is worth it. That was almost a guarantee that one of them was going to win. So I spent 30 bucks and I passed one. I'll take that. I have another Phidias eval. I also have that Top Step eval. I gotta use Project X for that. No, I just hedged Bullnox. Apex I didn't hedge. Just took one eval long. Once I was up like 1,500 bucks, I took one short. I didn't need to do that, but that was just like a safety thing. Two minutes and we draw another name. Damn. I think I bottom tick stop down on Apex account. Come on, guys. There should be as many likes as entries into the giveaway. It's not fair that there's more giveaways or more names in the giveaway than likes. It's not fair. We have 329 people in the giveaway. And not even 200 likes. What kind of BS is that? This is a Phidias eval. Needs 4,000 to pass. I'm not gonna do a one shot. Come on. Jesus Christ. The weakness is just unreal. right, let's get all the names. All right, 11:31:45. If you didn't enter, you're not in. Mr. Krister, I don't believe you didn't type in the entry already. You've been in the stream since the beginning. Guys, only type the giveaway once for the whole entire day. Please. I just don't want the chat to be fully spammed for no reason. All right. All the names are in. ChatGPT is going to pick 20 names. So this is the list. Wait, the same people. Hold on. Let me just see. No, it's not the same people, but there's a bunch of same. No, I didn't like. This is not good. Why the hell did it pick the same? Nope, not gonna do it. We're gonna take all the names and run the wheel. Don't trust ChatGPT. I guess that eval's gone. Yep. Fuck you, market. Unfucking believable. All right. Well, now you're not gonna see your name until it's picked. Third winner today. Yassine. Something. Yassine was what we're gonna call you. Congratulations. You are the third winner of today's giveaway. Unbelievable. Why did it have to stop me out? I was up so much on this eval. See, if I would have hedged when I was up here, I would have passed one, right? That's why hedging is so successful once you are up on one account. All right, I don't think I have any more accounts to trade besides... I do have this Lucid account that's almost dead. I'm gonna try to pass that. This thing's almost dead. Hold on, guys, 1 second. My sister was planning a Vermont trip, so she was asking me about dates. I'm like, I'll see you tonight. Damn, no two-legged pullback, huh? Just when you think you're gonna get a two-legged pullback, you don't. Try to save this eval. See what happens. But two-legged pullbacks are not working today because of the momentum to the downside is just way too strong. Today is going to be a day where it could just keep selling off all day. I've seen days like this so many times. They happen very rarely, but when they do happen, you remember them because it's so rare and literally you get caught every single time. When I was driving to Canada earlier in the year for a wedding, I was in the trade all day with minis or with micros, and I still blew an account with a lot of profit in it. Market just keeps on selling off. Yeah, look how it just skips, you know? Like it just tells you it's freaking weak. Weak, weak, weak. Let's see if we get filled. Can we retest 200 moving average? Yeah, I'm not really counting on the rebound anymore. I was hoping earlier in the day, but it tried so many times, Black Coffee Trader, and it failed. So it's kind of giving me the vibe that it's not going to. So I'm done with my funded accounts and I'm just going to trade evals. This eval was almost dead. I had $800 in drawdown left. So we'll see if we can make something out of it. I wish I could celebrate my birthday. I don't. Every time I touch this mic, it gives me those feels. I hate this surface. Oh, that didn't work. All right, just not my day. Not my day now. It was good earlier, but now the weakness is unreal, and need to wait for some kind of support to form and then maybe start longing. For now, we're just selling off. There's just no reason to long at all. Downtrending channel. We need to break out of this channel and then maybe long, but that's where I would maybe take a trade on Take Profit Trader. So let's just focus on giveaways. I'll watch the market on my upper screen here, but let's focus on giveaways. I got like an hour. Wait, it's already 12? No, I don't. I have like fucking half hour. I gotta go get a haircut. All right, let's do giveaways. Let's do giveaways. Let's do giveaways. Otherwise... No, my birthday's tomorrow. That is today. Yeah. So I had 20 Apex accounts. I blew one account. I passed another eval. So we're back to 20, but man, very painful. Yeah, make sure you guys hit the like button. All right, let's pick someone. What should we do? What should we do? We just want to do a quick race. Yeah, let's do a quick race. This way we'll get rid of a bunch of giveaways at once. Yeah, let's do a race. All right, just gonna scroll through really quick. Just so you see you're in there. All righty. Set the grid. All right, we'll do top 3 places, like normal race. Top 3 places will get an evaluation. If you win in the 911, you will get 2 evals.
Alrighty, good morning, chat. Yes, the chipmunk Golfy is here. As always, never will miss a race. The other giveaways, that's not mine. I don't know what Alpine is doing with those giveaways. Lame. I like the racing better. Oh, we got 46 right on the bottom, and then Porsche 911 Antares in the lead so far, but he's pulling back, as we know that being in the lead early on does not always work. We got Cly in a very fast and successful, as of recent, Acura NSX. PSMF in an R8 trying to get in the lead. AMD in an R8 as well. ZRIP in a McLaren. Who else got a 911? Who else got a 911? Show us the 911. Someone trades one. I can't tell the full name. Oh, Paul, I believe. Paul. DG in a 911 as well. And who else? Who else? Who else? There's gotta be more of them. Oh, the boost button early on, huh? That's how we're gonna do it nowadays? Well, look at this 911 pulling the field. Is he tricking everyone? 1 minute to go and everyone's already trying to use some of their boost. They're all speeding up just a little bit too soon, I think. I'll be surprised if some of these people win here today. I think someone in the back of the field is going to take over and take the victory. We got David in the 911 as well. APS in the 911. Lots of 911 in the front row. Who is going to win today? Happy birthday, Nutty! Nutty Bar! Happy birthday from Golfy and the Alpine fam. Should have put a car. Next giveaway, I want Nutty in the race. Here we go. Boost! Hit the boost! Go, go, go! Oh yeah, that's what we like to see. Everyone is flying now, 200 miles an hour. Going so fast down the final stretch. Final push. Go, corn. Unicorn. Unicorn. Oh, worlds away with the victory in the McLaren. Oh man, but who got the second place? Who's got the second and third place? PTA Craig and Carl's away. So we got worlds away and Carl's way. Alrighty, I'll be back in 7 minutes for another giveaway.
Alrighty. All right. Yes, thank you, Miss K. You guys should email me right now with your username. Yeah, it's gonna be first come, first serve. So email me with what account you want first, and if I have it, I'll give it to you. I don't know how many more evals I have to give away, so hopefully we don't run into an issue where I give away too many. You need a Lucid. Gotta hit that gas pedal at the right time. I could show you guys the full field. Damn, a lot of cars. I would like to do a race where we could see all the cars, but I'm not sure if I like this ChatGPT random name picker. No, I didn't put him in yet. I'm gonna put him in for next race. Okay, got one email. And market's getting choppy now, though. Wonder if we're gonna get a reversal of any kind. Oh, that blown funded puts a little bit of a dent in the day, but can't be too mad. Can't be too mad. I didn't use a stop, so it's my fault. If I use a stop, I could have probably saved it. Actually, no, we never got a bounce, so I don't think so. Yeah, I gotta get a haircut at 1 o'clock, so I gotta leave my house at 12:30 so I could stop for some lunch. I would love to take a trade on my TRADEIFY account. Send me an email, PTA Craig. We're gonna do one more giveaway in a couple of minutes. Maybe 12:10, 12:10, 12:15, 12:10, 12:15 maybe. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Thank you for all the emails, guys. This market. This market's looking strong now. Damn it. Just like that. See how to pull back. We got to see it pull back and see how it does. Let me see what emails I got. I need a secretary to send out all the emails. I got Carl, Worlds Away, Yassine, Bull Bear. I don't know what that is. That's Motorsports. Bull Bear, I never sent you your giveaway? Oh yeah, Bull Bear, you were in the spam. Motorsports 101 RB, you were in the spam. That's why I didn't see it on Wednesday. John Ripple, I got yours. Well, let me send these out before we do the next giveaway, because if I don't send these out now, I'm going to be busy later, so... Worlds Away, would you prefer Phidias? Is your email the same on Phidias? It's so hard to do these giveaways to so many names. Who else? Who else? All right, now Lucid one. Oh, Lucid already updated. Should be able to request a payout. Miss K, I'll keep you posted. Good luck with everything. Hope you're okay. I just saw the message. Um, I gotta check something. I think that's everyone for giveaways. Carl, I don't. Carl's way, like, if you don't see the code, just it's in there. Stupid Gmail. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna send you one more email. All right, market's moving up. Damn, I gotta do this giveaway. Okay, this giveaway will be for a TRADEIFY account. So a TRADEIFY account and one more. So we'll do TRADEIFY, Apex, and Phidias. I gotta go. It sucks. I wish I could stream all day today. Life gets in the way of streaming sometimes. Band Capital in the building. $300K reached.
Take profit, Alpines on the rise. More be placed, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, boys drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. Wake up chart low, money on the screen. Scalping them kicks, keep the setup clean. Apex funded, wrist tight, I'm in. Turn a loss to a win, living out the dream. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. More be placed, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, boys drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. From the charts to the stage, I was built for the game. No 9 to 5, tick by tick is the name. Profit run deep, watch the numbers climb. Whole chat cheering when we catch that line. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. More be placed, candles start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, boys drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line.
It's QUANTOWER. QUANTOWER. Did the trend change? Or is it just a fake out? Oh man. Giveaway time, guys. Broken nail. You guys got 1 minute to enter. I'm just gonna go pee and then we're doing the last giveaway of today. What a squeeze. $422 names in the giveaway. Unbelievable. I wish we could do because I can't see all the cards. It's so much more fun when we could see all the cards. Oh my god, so many more. Pick 30. I don't have time. I do not have the time. All right. Let's do it. Tory Trades is the last one to enter. Closing. You guys had all day to enter. We have 430 names. We are going to copy and we're going to break a record for the race. Elmi, you have to be in. There's no way you're not. Yeah, Elmi, you're already in. All right, guys, the giveaway is final. All right, so what we're going to do is TRADEIFY eval to place number 1. TRADEIFY eval to place number 1. Apex number 2. Phidias number 3. Ready? Top 3 places again? Or should we pick a random number? All right, we'll do first place, 67th place, and 420th place. So, first place, TRADEIFY. 67th place, 6-7 will be Apex, and then 420 will be Phidias. The shit ton of cars.
Off we go, racing. Final race of the week. Oh my goodness, so many evals given away this week. over 25 evals. This one's a big field, a lot of cars. You guys have like 0.0000219% chance of winning. You don't want second place this time around. 6-7, 6-7. And 420. Those are your lucky numbers. Of course, you always want the 911. You win in the 911, you automatically get another evaluation as a bonus. Boom! Alpine making money while I'm driving cars and stuff. Alright, 583 payout on one account and 417 on the other. So that is a $1,000 payout from Take Profit Trader for Alpine. Back to the race we go. 1:30 on the clock. Who is going to take the final giveaway? And I forgot to put Nutty in the race. Again! Unbelievable. $50 seconds on the clock. 50 seconds. Oh, yeah. We are getting faster and faster. There's a lot of traffic, though. So people in the back, I don't know if they could squeeze through. Oh, man. A lot of people can't even see their names. That's what sucks. But we got 30 seconds to finalize the giveaways for the week. For the birthday week, 300K week, everything lining up. 30 seconds to go. 20. That means boost. I'm all out of it. I'm tired. 10 seconds. Oh my God, the lead is tight. Comma in the front. He fell back. We got Gavin again in the front. Oh my goodness. Out of nowhere, McLaren squeezes through. Porsche sucked this week. All right. Mukul, congratulations. You are a proud owner of TRADEIFY. Number 67, Apex evaluation goes to user LSRT. And 420, you'll just email me, Mukul. Or you'll email Alpine, sorry. Alpine is the one that takes care of the giveaways. I just run the races. That's all I do. He doesn't pay me well enough to do the rest. And 420. Taco Tuesday. You get Phidias. If you do not have a Phidias account, you must make one before you could get the giveaway. Last place was Sam Williams and Mr. Krister, second to last. I am Bruce Lee, third to last. A reindeer next week. Yeah, I think we did that last year. Alright, guys. I'm going to head out. Alpine will finish off the stream. And see you next week for more giveaways.
All right. So once again, Mukul. User LSRT. Okay, you guys have to email me 1 second. Let me put the email in the chat since Miss K is gone. What a sell-off. I got lucky on that take profit trader trade. Oh my goodness. And what was the last place or last Phidias account? Forgot. $420 was Taco Tuesday. Let me give you the website for Phidias. Nope, it shouldn't be down. Last place, no, 420. I gotta go, guys. I'm gonna be late for the haircut, and he's busy today, so I can't do that to him. I have an appointment. Send me those emails, guys. Once I get back home, I'll send everything over. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the birthday wishes. I'll try to check in with you guys this weekend. Let me see the login page really quick. Yeah, I can't log in either. Thank you, guys. $300,000. I'm gonna have to make a video on that. I have to. Requesting $1,000 from LUCID and $1,000 from Take Profit Trader today will put me over 300K on the year in payouts. Gotta keep going. Gotta make another 20, 30 grand to kind of cut into the fees and then hopefully be at 250 net profit by end of the year. I'll see you guys all Monday or maybe over the weekend if I feel brave enough to stream some golf on Sunday. Later, guys.